Good morning, everyone. Today, my topic of teaching is alphabetic order. From the word alphabetic, we all know that we will discuss about the alphabets, and from the word order, we will discuss about how to arrange words, letters, or numbers in order. The 26 letters in the English alphabet appear in a fixed order. Sometimes the words of English alphabet are not in order and we have to arrange it in order. Like this, there are 26 alphabets in English and they all are in fixed order like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Like in capital or in small letters, they all are in their fixed order. For example, the letters E, D, B, F, A, C. These letters are not in alphabetic order. We have to arrange the letters in alphabetic order. First of all, we will find the letter A because in English alphabets, the letter comes A in the first number. Letter A. Then write A. Now, let us find out B. Write B. Then C. Then D. Now E. Then F. So there are letters and we have to arrange in alphabetic order. A, B, C, D, E, F. Here there are some words that are not in alphabetic order. Read the words rain, yuck, camel, van, flag. First of all, we will find the word and letter that comes first in alphabetic order. The word C. C comes first in the alphabetic order. So we will write camel first. Camel. Then after C, we will find the next letter, that is F. Flag. Flag. Then rain, R. Rain. And the next letter is V. Van. And the fifth one is Y, that is yuck. And there are some letter words that are not in alphabetical order and we will arrange it in alphabetical order. That is camel, flag, rain, van, yuck. And now there is some other words and we have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. There are some words. First of all, we will find the word that starting from A. There is no word that starts from A. B. There is no word from C. That is candle. Candle. From C, there is only one word. So we will write in the first number. Candle. And then the next letter is D. There is no word that's starting from D. E. There are two words that are starting from letter E. They both are starting from E. But we will go to the second letter, that is A, and that is L. Which letter comes first in the English alphabet, that is A? So we will write the letter ear in the second number and elephant in the third number. After E, we will find the letter starting from F. There is no word from G. There is no word from H. There is no word from I, J, K. There is one word, key, and second word is cave, king. They both are starting from the letter K. Then we will go to their second letter. In key, second letter is E, and in king, the second letter is I. So letter E comes first in English alphabet and letter I comes within between. So we will write key. King in the fifth position. After key, L, M, N. N. There is only one word that starts and is a letter that starts from nose. Nose. There is no other word that starts from N. So we will write in number 6. N, O, P, Q, R. R, rope. Rope. There is no other word that starts from R. So we will write rope in 7th number. R, S. Ship. And there is another word that starts from S, that is star. Two words that starting from S. But we will go to their next letter word. H, and that is T. H comes first and T after that. So we will write ship and star in the 9th number. From these exercise, I hope you all understand the alphabetical order and how to arrange the words in alphabetical order. So all this is my topic. Thank you very much.